using the other hand to pull in the opposite direction, and that gives it more strength. But the difference is between doing this and then using that finger to press upwards makes all the difference in terms of being able to penetrate. And that technique could be used all the way, you know, you've got the diaphragm reflex there. If you want to, you could do that technique going all the way along here. But also, this can work up into the muscle here, and also worked rather beautifully going behind the ear and in front of the ear. So you can do this also all the way around the ear and then coming in front. But you can also very carefully work on the ear. And of course the ear has all the reflexes for the whole body. So not everyone likes their ears touched. So I always check with the client, and I didn't check with you before.
It's really nice. So it's fine.